Accra residents were grappling with flash flooding on Tuesday after heavy rain hit the Ghanaian capital overnight. There have so far been no reports of casualties, but some have been displaced. Ruth McGeaney said her family managed to get to safety.
So I think around 2 the rain was too much. It started entering our rooms, so we have to run for our lives here. So we all ran to the top there. So when we came back, I think 4 then, our rooms, everything was scattered, everything.
Seasonal rains in West Africa tend to start in June and last until October, and often cause deadly floods in urban.
Hey,